Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2201 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's NOx sensor system. And if left unresolved, it can increase emissions, reduce fuel efficiency, and affect overall engine performance. What does P2201 mean? P2201 stands for NOx Sensor Circuit Range, Performance Bank 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the NOx sensor on Bank 1 is sending readings that are outside the expected range or not performing correctly. The NOx sensor measures nitrogen oxide emissions in the exhaust system. The ECU uses this information to control emission systems and maintain proper engine operation. When the sensor readings become inaccurate, the ECU can no longer properly manage emissions. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2201, you may notice: check engine light on, reduced fuel economy, increased exhaust emissions, failed emissions test, reduced engine performance, DEF or emissions warning light on diesel vehicles, and sometimes reduced power mode. In many cases, the vehicle may appear to drive normally while the emissions system performance decreases. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. The NOx sensor is installed in the exhaust system. On most diesel vehicles, it is located before or after the SCR catalyst depending on the vehicle design. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. The sensor is threaded into the exhaust pipe and connected to a control module through electrical wiring. Because of its location, it operates under extreme heat and harsh conditions. The most common causes of P2201 include faulty NOx sensor, sensor contamination, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded connectors, exhaust leaks, SCR system issues, failed NOx sensor control module, or ECU problems in rare cases. A failing NOx sensor is the most common cause of this trouble code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional emissions-related trouble codes. Inspect the NOx sensor wiring and connectors. Check for corrosion, heat damage, or broken wires. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks. Monitor live NOx sensor data using a professional scan tool. And verify power and ground circuits according to manufacturer specifications. How to fix P2201. Repair damaged wiring, clean corroded connectors. Fix exhaust leaks if present. Replace the faulty NOx sensor if necessary. Repair SCR system issues. Replace the NOx sensor control module if required. Clear the code and perform a complete road test. Final result: fixing P2201 will restore accurate NOx sensor readings, improve emissions system operation, reduce harmful emissions, prevent reduced power conditions, and help your vehicle run efficiently again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.